Alright guys, so in my previous videos, a lot of you have always been asking about where is the selfie testing, where are the selfie photos, what can I expect in terms of selfies, and guess what? Today we have the phone that's designed to take awesome selfies. Now that comes in the form of the OPPO Reno15 series. It comes in 3 flavors. We have the Reno15F, the Reno15, the standard version that I have here, as well as the Reno15 Pro. Now what I like about this middle child here is that it retails just nice under 2,000 ringgit, 1999 to be exact, and it comes with a couple of cool features that makes your selfies really stand out. So let's just jump straight into the juice right away and talk about those selfies. What can you expect here and how does it differ from your standard typical phones? Alright, so the whole picture out here is about giving you an ultra wide, a high resolution, and a natural looking selfie. Now how this all works is by giving you a proper sensor on board. So in terms of the selfie camera, it's using a JN5 sensor, and you might be wondering, what's this sensor about? Who knows about these codes? Well, basically it's a 50 megapixel sensor that is actually used on other phones as their primary sensor, but now it's at the front of the OPPO Reno15. Now this is going to give you even better quality selfies, and that's not all. It's also extremely wide, up to 100 degrees field of view, and that's apparently the golden selfie angle where everyone can fit into the frame without having their faces distorted. You know, sometimes a lot of people are still holding their phones like this, using the rear camera to take a selfie, but now you can just use the front selfie camera because it's a proper one. Alright, so it's not just selfies that OPPO is giving you here. They've also touched up the software to give you even more fun photo editing that you can do directly from the photo gallery app itself. That means no need to install any third-party app. Now what's actually quite fun over here is a brand new pop-out feature. Basically you can take a couple of shots, select whichever picture that you like, of course try to find more creative ones, and put them in a collage, and then click the pop-out button to make them really stand out. Now you can do this not just in terms of a static shot, which already gives you a lot of fun to play with, but you can also choose the motion photo, and that will actually make the photo move, and again you can come up with more creative ideas, maybe ones that are even more creative than mine. Now other than the main selfie at the front, which is the star of the show, there's also an improved 50 megapixel 3.5 times telephoto lens at the back that's going to help you take even better portraits. You know, OPPO has always been about being the portrait expert, and that's no different here on the OPPO Reno15. Other than that, it also comes with the Reno portrait engine that makes your portraits look even more natural, skin tones will look even more true to life, you have a better natural looking background blur, and they will look less like it was cut out using AI. Other than that, you can also edit them using the AI camera tools that's already baked into the photo gallery app, using features like AI portrait glow to actually brighten up your face. You know, sometimes you're against the sun at the back and your face might appear a bit dark. This is where AI portrait glow will help you out. Other than that, you also have the AI motion photo slow-mo. Now you don't actually have to do anything here. As soon as you just tap the photo, everything is already running in the background. First, it actually captures that motion photo, and then after that you can just hit edit and choose the part where you want it to be slow-mo, and then you can have an even more dramatic live photo. But what about video? Now the OPPO Reno15 also supports that 4K HDR ultra steady video. That means taking videos on the day-to-day, if you want to post them on your social media, you can also get even clearer and more stable shots. In fact, that front-facing ultra-wide camera also supports 4K 60 FPS, so if you're just going to be taking selfie videos, that will also work great for your social media. Alright, so those are just in terms of the camera department, but what about actually using the device itself? Now I think we should start off by highlighting the design that we have at the back here, and it's called the Dancing Aurora design. Whenever you just shift it from left to right, you see it glow in different kind of angles. Other than that, what I like here is that we do have a flat display at the front. This is a 6.59-inch unit. It's AMOLED and comes with slim bezels. That means watching videos, watching movies is all going to be even more immersive. The device itself is also protected by IP69 dust and water resist, so in case you drop your phone into the pool, you don't have to worry about it getting damaged. And in terms of the battery life, yep, it's fairly slim, but you do get a 6500 mAh unit with 80 watt of fast charge. Now that's not all. In terms of making the experience even smoother, we also have ColorOS 16 on board. Now with ColorOS 16, you can expect a fast and fluid experience with smooth animations, and this device actually gets that 6-year fluency authentication. That means that it's meant to last. Furthermore, there's features like AI Mindspace that helps you to capture and organize your day-to-day. And of course, there's also OPPO Connect that allows you to transfer files and photos between an Android or an iPhone device very easily. Now last but not least, when it comes to gaming, just a very quick one on this, the device itself is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4. It comes with AI HyperBoost 2.0 to give you even more stable frame rates and less lag, and there's also AI Game Capture 2.0 that allows you to automatically capture gaming highlights. Now personally, my main go-to games are Mobile Legends and Honor of Kings, so if you are players of this game, you can expect a very smooth performance on the OPPO Reno15. Alright, so all in all, what can you really sum up about the OPPO Reno15 series? Well, like I said in the beginning, it's good to take really awesome selfies with their wide, high-res and natural-looking sensor. Other than that, it also comes with fun features like the AI motion photo pop-out, and in terms of the pricing, again, I'll put them on your screens. The Reno15F starts from RM1599, the Reno Standard starts from RM1999, and the Reno15 Pro starts from RM2999. Anyway, starting from today till end of February, you'll be able to get exciting freebies whenever you pick up one of these OPPO Reno15 series. Now with that said, thank you for watching today's video all the way to the end. If you're looking to improve your selfie game, you definitely should check out the brand new OPPO Reno15 series. And with that, thank you and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.